Okay. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna play Roblox. It is our time to shine. So yeah, we're using Samsung right now, and I don't know what to play. But let's just go silently for now. Si- Silent mode in 3, 2, 1. So finally, I found the game. Oh, I played this game before, but okay. But at least you can have video. And again, it's very hard. Sure. Kidding. Now let's use our money and oh my god, we make 3 billion offline. I hope we get the exclusive. Very so cool. It's okay, we're gonna get it. And again. Yeah. We're never getting it. But at least we get a little money. So, name Roblox. What does that entail? Oh, so this is gonna be super short. Ooh, I don't like this game, but we can't play Nokia City. Oh nah, Kikaloka Block, nah. 99, Gold Garden, Hypershot. Ooh, I like Hypershot. So we're gonna play Hypershot. Mm. Oh my god. I'm using Samsung, and if you want one, click my bio. But it costs a lot of money. Or PHP. Let me whisper it to you. 6,000. So let's keep it a secret, alright? Let's see. Always auto join mobile server. Yes, we can keep now. Ooh, reward. We're gonna spawn now. Oh no. Okay, let me. Oh, people. Bye. Oh, a bonus. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I'm out. Bye bye. That's gonna be it for today. You didn't subscribe, and subscribe, wow. So that's all for today.